forever, Midnight. You are never getting out. Never.
Midnight! Someone help! Anyone? Can you? Alright, welcome back to my channel. Time for another math game. This one is called Beat Boomer! Okay, so for this game, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a pencil, something to color with, and some paper, and some dice. Okay, so in this game, you need to be the hero. You need to defeat the evil robot named Boomer and rescue Midnight from the evil robot jail. Like, he's supposed to be here with me, but he's not. I'm depending on you to save him. Alright, got your supplies? Let's get started.
Okay, you should have your 2 pages side by side like this with your dice, markers, and something to draw with. For this example, I am going to use a Sharpie, just so it sticks out better in the video. Alright, the first thing you do is you need to draw Boomer the robot. So make it a very simple drawing of a robot. You can follow along with me and do the drawing I did, but I learned from the video linked in the description. So make it just a very simple robot, and then you're going to divide the robot into 10 to 15 sections. The next thing you do is you draw 5 little hearts at the bottom of your page. The hearts represent your health and your hit points for this game. So it's a little like a video game. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to count up by 25s and fill in each section of your robot. And that is the amount of health the robot will have in the end. So as you can see here, I went 25, 50, 75, 100. And I'm going on the arms, the hands. I will count the whole head as just one section. And then when you get to the very top, you should have the final health for Boomer the robot. Okay, this is how you start the game. First off, you need to roll your dice 2 times to create 2 different numbers. So I made 54, then I made 64. Add them up, and that is the amount of health I take away from Boomer. So add it up. Make sure you keep carrying that number down. Next, you're going to need a roll for Boomer. Oh no. If Boomer rolls doubles, you lose half a heart. So I've already lost half a heart, and the game has just been started. If Boomer rolls anything besides doubles, then nothing happens. You only lose half a heart if he rolls doubles. So I'm going to go again now. I got 11, so 118 plus 11. Oh, but I've forgotten a step here. What you need to do is every time you go past an interval of 25, you need to color in Boomer the robot. So I'm going to stop here, get my markers, and start coloring in. So I'm at 129, so I need to color in the 25, the 50, the 75, the 100, and the 125 sections. After that, I need a roll for Boomer. Let's see what Boomer gets. No doubles. Oh, he got another double. So I have lost another half of my heart. So I am down to only 4 hearts. So you're going to keep playing Boomer, going back and forth until either you fill in Boomer completely and use up all his health, or you lose all your hearts. And if you lose all your hearts, I'm afraid Midnight might never get out.
The hero was unable to save you. Now, Midnight will be Boomer's forever.
Now, if you can be a brave hero and make it to the end, your page should look something like this. So Boomer is almost filled in. I have 3.5 hearts left. I just rolled a 32, which will put me over his health of 375, which means I have defeated Boomer and saved Midnight from the evil robot jail.
Thank you so much. You are my hero.
And that's the game. You were able to rescue Midnight. Congratulations. Now, this is a great game that you can use to work on your addition skills, subtraction skills. There's many different Just got the chills there for a second. Anywhere, where was I? Make sure you look in the description for ways to modify the game to make it more challenging or to make it more accommodating for younger learners. All right, that's it for me. Until next time, Mr. T out.